Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a healthy and delicious Nigerian style unripe plantain porridge. The ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe is unripe plantain, spinach or ugu leaves, smoked fish or mackerel, palm oil, onions, crayfish, seasoning cubes, salt and pepper. Firstly, you're going to wash and peel your unripe plantains, and then you're going to cut them into small pieces or cubes. This will help it cook faster and gives the porridge a nice thick texture. After that, you're going to add the diced plantains in a pot, and you're going to go in with your chopped onions, seasoning cubes, salt, and your pepper mix, and then you're also going to add enough water or stock to cover. We're going to allow it to cook on medium heat until the plantains are soft. This recipe is packed with nutrients, perfect for a balanced meal, and it's also good if you're eating healthy or if you have diabetes. It's a very nutritious and healthy meal. So once the plantains are almost cooked, you're going to add your crayfish, your palm oil, your smoked fish if you're using that. Then you're going to stir everything together and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes so the flavors can blend together. Finally, you're going to add your chopped spinach or ugu leaves. Then you're going to stir gently. After stirring, you're going to cover the pot and let it cook for another 5 minutes. This meal is perfect on its own. You can have this for lunch or you can have this for dinner. I made this as simple and as easy as I can, but if you want a full detailed recipe of plantain porridge, I have 2 different videos on it in my channel, so you can just take a look there. Look at how beautiful and nourishing this plantain porridge looks. It's wonderful and it's so very healthy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends and family or anyone you know that loves Nigerian dishes or unripe plantains. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.